Okay, here we have Mr. Russell Henderson from Gainesville, Florida. He drove up and got his generator installed today. So what do you think?
Well, so far so good.
Working
Seems quiet, very neat, clean, very professional looking installation. Looks absolutely professionally store-bought.
And how much power does it take to run your air conditioner?
I've already forgot, 9 amps?
Yeah, about 8, it was 8 point something.
Something.
Yeah, so about 1/3 load.
1/3 load.
Yeah, because it's 25 amp generator, it takes 8 amps, so that's 1/3 load. That's pretty good. So you can run 3 air conditioners at once.
Has both the air conditioner and the water heater on, and it didn't mean strain.
That's right, we did have the water heater
This
and...
was for a test.
Huh?
This was for a test.
Just for a test, yeah. But yeah, it was I think about 19 amps then, so yeah. Well, good. So where you headed? Back home from here?
Back home.
Back home, okay. Planning any trips this year?
Now that I have an air conditioner, yes, I'll go somewhere.
Now that you have a generator to run your air conditioner?
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. All right, well, it was a pleasure installing it for you. Thanks for giving me the opportunity. And tell everybody about it.
I will.
All right?
Thank you.
Thank you.